Hello friends, welcome to Ideas TV. In this video, I will show you how to make a universal DC motor speed controller or the famous PMW circuit. This video is sponsored by JLCPCB. They are the largest PCB manufacturer in China with more than 300,000 customers worldwide and 8,000 plus PCB orders per day. They provide 10 by 10 cm professional quality PCB boards within $2 only. To order your PCB, just go to their website and upload your Gerber files here. After uploading your Gerber file, you can change some PCB parameters from here. And after that, you can place your order here. At your first order, you can avail special discount offer from JLCPCB. So guys, finally I received my parcel from JLCPCB. Let me open the box and show you my new printed circuit boards. As you can see, the build quality is perfect as always. These are all the components that we will need to assemble our project. The Gerber file of this project, circuit diagram and components list. You can get all of these from the video description. Now let me solder all these components to the circuit board according to circuit diagram. Our circuit is ready. Now let me show you how it's look like. I am connecting crocodile clips to the circuit for DC out. And connecting a 12-volt adapter connector for power supply to the circuit. So guys, our circuit is ready. Now we can test it on any DC motor.